today it is Sunday, Saturday,
Yes, sir.
and as
Yes, sir.
usual,
No,
every
no, no. No, sir. Today is Saturday.
हाँ
Sir,
सैटरडे बोला है मैंने यार, तेरे साथ रह रहे कि मैं भी ऐसा ही हो रहा हूँ। तो सैटरडे का टॉपिक अपने को पता होता है कि भाई सैटरडे हमारे यहाँ यूजुअली वी हैव ओनली स्पीकिंग सेशंस and a topic is given to you, and today's your topic is, you know that Diwali is about to come, or you can say
Yes.
that
Yes, sir.
festival has been started.
Yes.
Today we have Dhanteras. So my
Sir.
so today's topic is that how will you celebrate your Diwali?
Sir,
This is
Dante.
today's topic. Dhanteras is also a festival of Diwali. And first of all, I am calling Sushil Bhaiya. Listen to him carefully so that you can express your ways properly. Yes, come on, Sushil.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Ramban on the interactive classes of the 16. And today again, I am here with a new topic that how will I celebrate my hap- Diwali. So, first, I am very excited for it because this festival comes once in a year,
सुनो ध्यान से,
and
सब लोग ध्यान से सुनो। अब डांट खाओगे दिवाली से पहले, अच्छे सुन लो ध्यान से।
I think that that this time my Diwali will be with happiness and joy.
Good.
And today I bought groom and namak with my mom. And the next day I will go to mandir to feed to charity to the poor people, and I will also feed to food. I would also feed to a cow food next day. And tomorrow, that day is the main festival, that is Badi Diwali. And in the evening, first I will go to temple, and then I will do my works in the rest day, and in the evening uh, I will worship to Lakshmi ji and Ganesh ji with my family, and I would also fire some crackers, and the next day, that day is Govardhan, and on this day in the evening I will celebrate the Govardhan with my family, and I would also fire many crackers, and this festival, I think that we should celebrate our festivals because our festivals gives us happiness and also chance to meet with our family members, and it makes bond with our relatives and family members.
मत बोलो बीच में बिल्कुल भी, अभी सुनो पहले बस। हाँ,
And the next day, that day is Bhai Dooj, and on this day, my sister would offer me sweets, and I would also give her some rupees or gifts. So in this way, in the simple way, I would celebrate my festival. That's it, sir.
शाबाश। Today's topic is how will you celebrate your Diwali using future tense, and no one needs to write his or her name, because today I myself will call your name one by one, and you have to listen so carefully. So now I am calling Rohit. Rohit.
सर भैया यहाँ नहीं है, वो थोड़ी देर में आएगा अभी।
Okay, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad. Today, my topic is how will I celebrate my Diwali? How will I celebrate my Diwali? So, I will celebrate my Diwali in a very simple way. I will buy some. I will buy only few crackers, which I will burn. Which I will burn in on Diwali. That is on 21st, or some are saying that is on 20.
Hmm.
And I will go to my nani's house and also to my villages to celebrate Diwali. But first, I will worship Goddess Lakshmi at my house in a city. Then I will go to my village,
Hmm.
and there I will be going to all my friends of my village and greeting them Happy Diwali. And I will also try to cover all the houses of all my relatives so that they all remembers me, and I can I will also be able to make more memories for my this Diwali.
शाबाश बेटा. Hmm.
And and if I will see any person who is in need, then I will also provide something to him or her so that they can also celebrate their Diwali with happiness.
Hmm.
And that's it, sir.
Very good. शाबाश बेटा. Very good. Now, Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm Gaurav here. My today's topic is how I will celebrate my Diwali.
Hmm.
So, I will celebrate my Diwali in Jaipur also and also in my village
Hmm.
because, first of all, on Dhanteras, which is today, but we have to speak in future tense, so we will ignore it.
Hmm.
So, on Choti Diwali. So, on Choti Diwali, we will celebrate
हिले मत.
Diwali,
थोड़ा सा बैठ जा आराम से.
but
टिक
not
के बैठ जा. हिले
so
मत थोड़ा सा. फोन को टिक रख दे. हाँ
but
बोल.
not so grand like the main Diwali. And I will play with my friends and also plan something
Hmm.
machane wala.
Hmm. इसका अलग ही स्टाइल होता है. बोल. कटिंग करवा लेता. गधे कितने बड़े बड़े बाल हो रहे हैं.
अरे सर कल करवाऊंगा.
कल करवाएगा. हाँ बोल.
Yes sir. And also I will tease my neighbors
Hmm. How?
and also we will celebrate it not very much with joy because the main joy is on Diwali,
Hmm.
and we will place lights on Dhanteras only,
Hmm.
and then now the main festival Diwali,
Hmm.
the main festival Diwali. So on Diwali, first of all, I will get ready and I will take a bath and then I will study for just 15 minutes or 10 minutes because this day is
मैं
not
तो
for
तेरा ना.
study.
हाँ. तू नहीं
Because
उसको
this
बोल रहा हूँ. हाँ
day is
बोल.
not for study.
Hmm.
For it's just for festival and joy.
Hmm.
So and then after all, I will go out and play with my friends and also burn some crackers, only some, a little, because the main will come next.
Hmm.
And then in the afternoon, I will watch TV
Hmm.
or just chill in my house.
Hmm.
And then in the afternoon, the cracker session will not begin. The first the puja worship session will begin.
They will be waiting for you.
Yes. No, sir. Everyone will start at a time
हाँ.
because equality matters.
हाँ. Yes. Equality better.
Mhm.
And you had talk.
Yes.
You haven't talked even a single word about study. Yes. Come on. Carry on.
And also, and we will worship, and then we will me and my friends will get into an abandoned house basement and do some experiments with crackers like upside down anar
ये तो माइक ही ऑन है.
and also many other experiments, and also at the last when everyone is gone me and Anjali will
Me
take the
nahi,
opportunity.
हाँ,
I and my sister will take the opportunity
हम्म,
to tease, to disturb the uh, to disturb our neighbor's sleep,
हम्म,
and and then we will sleep peacefully.
हम्म,
And on Govardhan we will go to our village and play with our cousins in the same manner, in the same teasing manner, and also but safely, not that harmfully, so it can harm others. A peaceful, a
very good.
peaceful tease or in a fun way.
Yes, yes, good.
And on Bhai Dooj, you all know, my, my sisters will rob me again like Raksha Bandhan,
Hmm.
and also my brothers, and me and my brothers will again be a beggar.
Beggar will be
That's it.
victim
Thank
of
you,
your
sir.
sisters. You will be looted.
Yes,
You will be
sir.
looted, eh?
Because
By your
of
sisters,
because of her.
because of her. आगे बोल. हाँ. Beta, we get sisters by luck. Yes. Carry on, carry on. जल्दी करो.
Done, sir.
ओके बेटा, शाबाश. ये जरा बोलने का स्टाइल बड़ा एकदम
Sir,
एकदम.
he lied everything.
I know everything. Yes, now.
लूटती है ये.
रक्षित, रोहित आ गया क्या? रोहित, चलो जब आ जाए जब बता देना.
Yes, sir.
रोहित आ गया? Has Rohit come?
नहीं आया सर.
Okay, Anuj come. Anuj.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today my topic is that how am I going to celebrate Diwali this year,
Hmm.
which is about to come,
Hmm.
and or which had started.
Hmm.
So first of all,
Just started.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
First of all, this festival Diwali has started from today.
Hmm.
Today we have Dhanteras.
Hmm.
On this day, the purchasing of gold, silvers, and and utensils are. Uh,
Is
this day
considered.
is good
Is
to purchase
considered.
these all things.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
बोलो बोलो.
This is considered.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. So people purchase these types of things, and the next day we celebrate Choti Diwali, and I will I have bought some firecrackers today, so that it will help me to make my Diwali better,
Ah, shabash.
to make me happier.
Very good, yaar. हाँ.
And the next day, the main day, all celebrate. We would celebrate Diwali.
Hmm.
So on this Diwali, we basically firecrackers, and we enjoy the lights which are upon our houses,
Which is. Hmm.
which is
Hmm.
and we all India worship goddess Lord and goddess Lakshmi, Lord Ganesha and God. But in my house, it is not done.
Why?
Sir, don't know, but my father, because of my father,
Okay.
he doesn't like. He is not that type. He's an atheist, I can say.
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
Yes, sir. So we used to celebrate before 5 years before COVID-19, but after COVID-19 we have stopped this.
Okay.
But I am not happy. So when I feel alone with this day, when when in my village all the villagers are worshipping God, and I feel that I am not in that environment. So I used to go at my uncle or aunt's house to make me feel better that I am in this or that. So the next day we have Govardhan. So this day, it's basically the day of the Govardhan mountain that the Krishna carried.
Mhm.
And this day the Ankut is prepared in all the houses and all the temples and distributed to all the devotees. And the last day we celebrate Bhai Dooj. This is the festival of brother and sister.
Good. Hmm.
This is the day of, and on this day sisters tie uh, something on the brother's hand, and brothers give gift to their sisters, and make their mouth sugary.
Hmm.
And this is how we all celebrate this festival, and always celebrate every festivals as never before. That's it, sir.
Yeah, nice speaking. Good. Keep it up, beta. Have confidence. Self confidence रखो आप अपने अंदर. समझ गए ना बेटा? हाँ, बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Now, अन्वी,
क्या सर?
नाम बोलो बोलो आज के टॉपिक पे.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. My today's topic is how I speak Diwali. How I celebrate Diwali.
How I will celebrate Diwali.
Okay, sir. On Diwali, I brought 8,000 rupees crackers on Diwali.
I have brought.
Crackers on Diwali yesterday. And today is one of the day of Diwali. I celebrate Diwali very happily with my whole
will.
family.
Future tense use करो. I will या I shall. Future tense use
I
करो.
shall celebrate Diwali happily with my family. I celebrate Diwali by.
I'll. Future.
I shall celebrate Diwali by lighting diyas and candles. I shall very happy on Diwali. I love this festival very much because we celebrate this festival with joy.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. फोकस कर करके बोलती रहे ऐसे ही. हाँ.
Some people say that we do not have to fire crackers. But according me, we have to fire crackers, but in limit.
शाबाश, very good.
Because if we do not fire crackers, Diwali is not joyful.
Very good.
सर
शाबाश.
सर हमें तो शायद से उस बारे में बोलना था ना.
अरे तू चुप रहे 1 मिनट, अभी उसको बोलने दे. सरपंच मत बने ज्यादा. बोल बेटा.
I plant many flowers on Diwali in my village house.
फ्यूचर टेंस यूज करो. हाँ.
I shall.
और शैल की जगह ऐसे ही बोल सकती है बेटा. I'll.
Okay, sir. I'll plant many flowers, trees in my small garden of village. I shall celebrate Diwali with my black horse.
Okay, शाबाश शाबाश, very good.
I say my new car black horse. I have 3 cars in house, but this is new. At the last, I would to say enjoy our Diwali very happily.
शाबाश, very good बेटा. Really very nice speaking. गजब का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ है बेटा तेरे अंदर. I am amazed to see you. You are one of very few students who perform so nicely. And now, come on. ये एक्चुअली कॉन्फिडेंस है तुम्हारा अनवी. जो चीज मुझे इम्प्रेस करती है ना, दैट इज योर कॉन्फिडेंस. So this is my advice to all, that have confidence and have focus. Yes, come on, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is Diwali. How will I celebrate Diwali? Diwali is a major festival of Hindus, and and in India there are many festivals and people celebrate many festivals. So first of all, as you know that today is Dhanteras, and on this day we purchase utensils and a lot of gold and silver, etc.
Shabash. Yes, focus
And,
करके बोलिए. हाँ.
and next day we celebrate Diwali,
Hmm.
and in on this day we on this day I will wear new clothes, and I will yes, sir. I'll
हाँ,
buy
ऐसे ऐसे बेटा.
I'll buy sweets and crackers and lights,
Hmm.
and I'll decorate my home, and put candles on my home,
At my home.
at my home, and I'll 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 make good food on this day, and at night I'll I'll lights lights my home, and I I shall I shall worship God Lakshmi and
Shabash.
Lord Ganesh,
हाँ हाँ.
and and I'll celebrate Diwali very simple way,
Hmm.
and I'll सिर्फ पटाखे जलाना.
Firecrackers.
Yes, sir. I'll firecrackers, and I'll go to my friend's house for 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 celebrate Diwali.
To celebrate Diwali. हाँ.
Celebrate Diwali, and I'll eat a lot of sweets and many other things,
Hmm.
and next day I will celebrate. I will make Govardhan,
Hmm.
and on this day I I'll I'll make Ankut, and I'll light deepaks and candles, and next day I will tie Rakhi to my brothers.
रक्षाबंधन है क्या? भाई दूज होगा. भाई दूज पे राखी बांधते हैं. Apply a tika.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. I'll apply tika to my brother, and I'll keep fast for good wishing my brother,
Hmm.
and on this day I will I will wear new clothes. That's it, sir.
Very शाबाश बेटा.
Sir,
मुझे
now
दिवाली
can
पहले
I
मनानी
speak?
शुरू कर दी तूने तो. हाँ.
Sir, now can I speak?
चलो कोई बात नहीं बेटा. खुशी खुशी आ जा.
Sir, can I
आ जा.
speak?
खुशी भी आ जा तो.
Okay.
Sir,
आजा
can I
बेटा.
speak?
Hello, hello everyone, and good evening to all of you. I am Kushi Gujar. I am telling about Diwali. How can we celebrate this Diwali?
Hmm.
As you know that today today is Dhanteras.
Hmm.
Market have much rush, so I have purchased all Diwali's necessary things, and like new dress, like Bandwal, Sublab,
Hmm.
and Deepaks,
Hmm.
etc.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है आज, वेरी गुड। हाँ, ऐसे बोला कर,
So
जरा खुश हो गए, ऐसे सुगली से बन के बैठ जाती है, फिर बोलती है, ऐसे बोला कर एकदम खुश होकर के। बोल, डरा मत कर, बोल बेटा।
so next day, Choti Diwali. Next day is will be Choti Diwali.
Hmm.
This day, I will decorate our house
Mm-hmm.
and preparation for Diwali. And I will prepare for Diwali.
Hmm.
And next day I'll celebrate Diwali. On this day, I I'll wear new clothes
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी
and
गुड। हाँ, ऐसे ध्यान रखा करो बस। हाँ,
yes sir. I'll and my mother will cook delicious food and she will worship Lakshmi and Ganesh ji.
Hmm.
And on this day, we will decorate all house.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बोल।
Lakshmi ji also. And Diwali's next day, I will I will wishing all my friends, my family, my cousin, etc. And Diwali's next day, this day Gordon on this day early in the morning my mother will worship the Gordon Puja, and my brother and sister will fire crackers and celebrate Gordon Puja. And next day will be Bhai Dooj. On this day, I will keep fast for my brother, and I'll apply tika and worshipped for my brother and we will celebrate Diwali with pleasure, happiness, etc. That's it, sir.
Sir, now
शाबाश
can
बेटा,
I
ऐसे
speak?
ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंस रखा कर बेटा।
Sir, now can I speak?
नो, वेट। सिमरन, रुक जाओ,
Yes,
अभी
sir.
जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा,
सर,
ज्यादा नहीं
मेरी
बचे, 2-3 जने
बारी
बचे हैं बस। अब वेट करो थोड़ा सा, ऐसे तुम भागने के चक्कर में, मुझे पता है। अभी 2-5 मिनट रुक जाओ,
मेरी
1-8 जने बचे हैं बस, ज्यादा नहीं बचे। आज वैसे ही कम है स्टूडेंट्स। यस, कम ऑन सिमरन, गिनती के 2-3
सर,
जने
मेरी
बचे
last
हैं बेटा।
में-
हाँ, 2 मिनट रुक जा। हाँ, सिमरन।
Hey everyone, I am Simran and good evening. Today's my topic how we'll celebrate Diwali. So today Dhanteras, and many people buy. Many people will buy many jewelries, silver and golden jewelries, and many vehicles. And next day, छोटी दिवाली.
आराम से बोल बेटा,
So
घबराए
next,
मत, बिल्कुल भी मत घबरा, तू आराम से बोल, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलेगी तो बेटा सब ठीक हो जाएगा, बोल आराम से।
okay, sir. So next day, I will see my mother. I will worship animals and vehicles, and mother make many sweets. So uh, I I will eat sweets, and I will purchase few crackers, and I will see many houses with colorful lights, and next day, Diwali. Diwali in the morning, I will make Govardhan with
वेरी गुड बेटा, ऐसे शाबाश, ऐसे बोल, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, हाँ बोल बेटा, बोल बेटा।
grandmother, and I will decorate Govardhan many colorful flowers with colorful flowers,
शाबाश शाबाश,
and
हाँ वेरी गुड, आज बहुत अच्छा बोल रही बेटा, हाँ।
and in the evening, I will worship with my family goddess Lakshmi and God Ganesh,
शाबाश,
and
ऐसे ये ऐसे बोला कर, हाँ।
and I will fire crackers with my brother and sister and friends,
वेरी गुड, ऐसे
and on this day, I will go many different temples because we will light Deepak and candles, because it is sir, रीति रिवाज में क्या बोलते हैं?
ट्रेडिशन, कस्टम,
because it is custom in India, so I will light Deepaks in many different temples like Tejaji, Durga temple, Radha Krishna temple,
शाबाश,
Gad, etc. And next day, in the morning, I will go my grandfather home.
To my grandfather home.
With
बोल, हाँ।
with new clothes, and I will show many people will worship Govardhan in the morning. Childs with firecrackers in the morning, and next day, this day, I will show many brothers and sisters enjoy, because this day Bhai Dooj.
This day is Bhai Dooj.
So-
पूरा बोला कर, हाँ बोल, अच्छा है, कोई बात नहीं, बोल तू, हाँ।
And this day, brothers and sisters day. So many sisters will tie many things, and they will eat their brothers'
है,
sweets.
क्या बोल रही है? क्या बोला तूने?
That's it, sir.
दैट्स इट तूने बोला क्या था? सुन तो सही पहले. दे विल ईट देयर ब्रदर्स. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका?
Their brother sweets.
बेटा इसकी जगह आता दे विल ऑफर स्वीट्स, है ना बेटा, टू देयर ब्रदर्स. कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन आज कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत अच्छा नजर आया मेरे को तेरे अंदर. इसको मेंटेन करके रख. गलती वलती तो ठीक कर लेंगे बेटा अपन, है ना. कॉन्फिडेंस लगा कर थोड़ा सा. चल शाबाश. गांव पहुंच गई क्या?
Yes, sir.
ओके बेटा, अभी 2 मिनट रुक जा, छोड़ने वाले हैं. यस अंजलि. अंजलि गायब हो चुकी है यहाँ से. एब्सेंट लगेगी बेटा, आज प्रेजेंट उसी की लगेगी जो बोलेगा. विपिन.
Hello everyone. Today my topic is how will I celebrated my Diwali.
सेलिब्रेटेड क्यों आएगा? फर्स्ट फॉर्म में तो आएगी सेलिब्रेट.
Okay, sir. As you know that today is Dhanteras. On this day, people buy gold, silver, aluminium, etc. First day I go to my village on Diwali.
गो, विल गो, फ्यूचर टेंस यूज करो. I'll
Okay,
go,
sir.
I shall go. हाँ बोलो.
And second day, सर लगाने को क्या करेंगे?
अप्लाई.
And second day, I will apply light on my house.
यहाँ अप्लाई नहीं आएगा. चलो बोलो अभी आप. बोलो, फ्लो खत्म हो जाएगा. बोलो.
And I will clean my house.
शाबाश. ऐसे फोकस कर करके बोल, घबराए मत.
And I purchase I will purchase many firecrackers and
विल की
sweets.
जगह आई विल को पूरा बोलने की जगह आइल ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं और ऐसे ही बोलना चाहिए. बोल आगे बोल.
Okay, sir. सर गन्ना को क्या कहते हैं?
शुगर केन.
Sir, I'll purchase sugarcane with my father.
ओके. योर फादर विल परचेज विद यू.
Yes, sir.
यस सर. आगे बोलो. कोई बात नहीं, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है. बोल, घबराए मत, जो मन में आए बोल तू. हाँ.
And I fired crackers.
फायर्ड नहीं, फायर क्रैकर्स. ये सही सेंटेंस सूट करता है तेरे लिए. आगे बोल.
like bullet bomb, सुतली बम,
देखो, बिना नाम बताए तो चैन नहीं पड़ेगा इसको. बोल.
etc.
हाँ, देखो चेहरे पे मुस्कान आ गई बुलेट बॉम्ब के नाम से ही. अभी तो 2-4 और बता देता तो खिलखिला के हंस पड़ता, दांत बाहर निकल जाते इसके. शाबाश, वेरी गुड. ऐसे एंजॉय कर बेटा. बोल.
and second day is बड़ी दिवाली. On this day I'll worship Lakshmi ji and Ganesh ji.
You will worship. Okay. Yes. Very good. शाबाश. हाँ. बड़ा हो गया ना ये. अंग्रेजी बोलते समय सब बड़े हो जाते हैं. बोल बेटा. हाँ.
Third day is Govardhan. On this day I'll collect dung cakes. सर मैं कहता हूँ.
हाँ, मुझे पता है बेटा, सारा काम तू ही तो करता है. फिर मम्मी पापा से बात करनी पड़ेगी तो छोटे से बच्चे से इतना सारा काम करवाते हो. बताओ. हैं? हाँ. बोल.
Fourth day is Bhai Dooj.
शाबाश.
and fifth day I will go to Delhi.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
शाबाश यार, कॉन्फिडेंस बड़े गजब का है. अच्छा बोला, शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड.
Thank you, sir.
शाबाश
Sir,
बेटा. आजा आजा गर्वित, आजा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ आ गया, मुझे
Yes,
मालूम है.
sir.
रोहित को बुला लूंगा मैं भी. गर्वित आजा.
अरे सर मेरी बात सुनो.
हाँ
सर मेरे को लड़ी लगानी है, मैं जा सकता हूँ.
5 मिनट रुक जाए यार, लास्ट है, 1-2 दिन चल रहे हैं बस. अच्छा नहीं लगता ना ऐसे बेटा बीच में जाना. हाँ यस गर्वित, कोई भी नहीं जाएगा, बस 2-3 जने रह गए बस. गर्वित.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा,
Sir, आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है तू.
Yes, 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 sir.
हाँ
My today's topic is how will I celebrate the festival of Diwali?
हाँ.
In for in first week celebrate the hand of Diwali.
दिवाली का दहन कब से होने लग गया?
अरे सर
कुछ
क्या
भी बोलेगा तू अब?
सर मैं
अब तेरी बहन बोल के गई, इतने सारे लोगों को सुन रहा है.
सर तो होता क्या है?
होता है कि इतने लोगों को क्या सुन रहा है तू? फिर अब सुनो और जरा, अभी फिर बाद में बोलना. अब सबर रह,
अरे सर
चुप रहे. होता क्या
सर
है
बोल
तेरे को
रहा
ये
हूँ.
नहीं पता?
सर
इतने लोगों
बोल
को चुप रहे एकदम. इतने लोगों को सुन लिया तूने, तेरे को तेरी बहन बोल के चली गई अभी, और तूने सबको सुन लिया और तेरे से बोला नहीं जा रहा है. इसमें और
सर
इसमें कर रहा है
आपने
अभी.
थोड़ी सी लेट पूछ लिया, भूल गया था.
अब सुन ले जरा, रोहित बोल रहा है अभी. आजा रोहित.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you how I will celebrate my Diwali. So first of all, it is the most. So first of all, I want to tell you about Diwali. It is the most important festival among Hindus, and we celebrate it every year with our great enthusiasm and our interest. Like other children, also I also feel some curiosity and some excitement regarding this festival. So I have many plans, and some plans I have executed, and now it is time for another plans. Like in school, I have executed my plan of firing crackers, and now it's time for my friends to do prank with them and surprise them with my activities. So first of all, in school, I have burned some crackers, and due to which I was punished. But it is a mission, so it was successful. And
देखो इनकी खुशी है. ये तो सुनाई नहीं समारी आज तो खुशी इनकी. देखो तुम
And-
वेरी गुड. छुट्टियां हो गई स्कूल की बस, और कुछ नहीं दिख रहा अभी तो. पढ़ाई की एक ने बात नहीं करी. एक ने बात नहीं करी कि हम ये करेंगे वो ना. इतने दिनों में हम खाली बस दिवाली दिवाली मनाएंगे. वेरी
yes, sir, I want to continue that, and also I plan to help my mother until I am in Malvinagar, and when I will go to village, then I will enjoy fully. And also the great thing is that from tomorrow the India versus Australia ODI series will start.
यहाँ भी मैच निकाल लिया इन्होंने.
That will be another masala type.
क्रिकेट के पीछे तो ये दीवानगी.
That is another masala in this festival. And the plans I have made for pranking my friends is, first of all, I will burn crackers like a VIP in cow dung in front of them, and like the toy gun, I will surprise them with these guns, and also I will create a lot of memories by enjoying this festival with my friends, and celebrate this Diwali as my best, and will create the memories that I will remember for long time. And also we see that on Diwali we sometimes don't able to, after, because Diwali is a break in a continuous in this month we are continuing studying, and this is a type of break that can put us into a comfort zone. So for this I will try my best to get out of this comfort zone, and try my best to study 1 or 2 hours at least in a day, so that my consistency will be maintained, and I will be good in my studies also. And sir, this is, I am telling truth, this is not a Mangalam Kani.
I know.
No sir, I will really follow
His
this.
happiness knows no bound. मतलब खुशी का तो ठिकाना देखो. खुशी देखो इसके चेहरे पे. आज तो बस मजा ही आ गया है यार. क्या बात है, इतनी छुट्टियां मिल गई हैं. वेरी गुड, शाबाश। यस,
And
कमल।
also, sir, अभी मैं बाकी है।
बाकी है क्या? तो बोल लेना एक बार में, तू तो शर्मा शर्मा के बोल रहा है, बोल।
सर तो आप बीच में आ जाते हो ना।
हाँ बोल, मैं नहीं आऊंगा बीच में, बोल।
And I also like in this festival we eat a lot of sweets and a lot of different types of materials in our house. Our mother also try different types of recipes, and we are the testers of that recipe. And she tell us.
टेस्टर ऑफ दिस रेसिपी, शाबाश, क्या बात है, वेरी
Uh,
गुड।
she tells us to sit beside her and taste what she make, and also we get a lot of curiosity to eat the bhog which we apply to the goddess and god and goddesses. I will celebrate my Diwali as always and with the greater joy and happiness. That's it, sir.
शाबाश। हाँ, कुछ कुछ अभी तो बोलना है तो उसको रोको नहीं, तो ये तो रात भर बोलता रहे। आज तो इसके मनपसंद टॉपिक मिल गया इसको, है। यस, नाउ हर्षित। बस एक दो जने बाकी हैं, ज्यादा नहीं है, बस हो गया काम। हर्षित और
सर
गर्वित। रुक जा एक मिनट हर्षित, और सुन ले गर्वित एक बार में,
सर,
पहले
बस एक
आजा।
बार दिवाली
रुक
के
जा,
फर्स्ट के
और
बनाते
सुन
हैं।
ले, और सुन ले एक बार, आजा 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 आजा।
ओके सर, और सुन रहा हूँ। ओके
सुन
सर।
बेटा, ध्यान से सुन, अच्छा परफॉर्म करना। बोल बोलो
सर।
हर्षित।
Harshit, okay, sir. So, hello everyone, my name is Harshit Maurya, and today's my topic is Diwali. So, as we all know very well, that Diwali is famous among all the Hindus, and it is celebrated by all the Hindus, and it is the most precious and important festivals for all the Hindus, as it has its own significance, which we know very well that Lord Ram came to Ayodhya on this day, and it is celebrated in this memory. And we can see that all over the world, Diwali will be celebrated uh, on this occasion. And this occasion is such a type of occasion where we can see that all are happy, and joy is everywhere. And we can see that Diwali is basically, we can say that we can also take it as a scientific fact, like on this day we may see that we also clean our houses, and in that way we may see that Diwali is also to clean our houses and to be well prepared to welcome goddess Lakshmi, or Mata Lakshmi, which is believed to be the god of money and prosperity. And on this day, all the houses and shops all are decorated and cleaned very well in order to welcome Lakshmi Mata. And we can see that our surroundings are full of crackers, like there are many crackers. And now I would like to specify all the festivals which are celebrated nearby it. So first of all, Dhanteras is celebrated. As we know that today is Dhanteras, and Dhanteras is celebrated in order to buy any utensil and any precious things, and people mostly buy rare or precious things and bring them to their homes, or sometimes they buy utensils of different materials. And the second day is celebrated as Choti Diwali. And on this day, there are some crackers, but not as much as on Diwali. I don't know why it is
सर, मेरे फोन
celebrated.
में 1% चार्ज और लाइट भी नहीं आ रही।
बस इसके बाद बुलवाता हूँ तेरे को। बोल बेटा, बोल, कंटिन्यू रखो हर्षित।
So yeah, I don't know much about Choti Diwali, but I know more about Badi Diwali, which is celebrated by all the Hindus, which with a joyful manner. And on this day, new clothes are worn by everyone, and we can see that there is joy all around us. And we can see that in the morning we prepare ourselves to celebrate Diwali by buying crackers, by decorating our houses, and also by doing many things. And in the night, as we all know very well, that the main work is done, that is to celebrate, that is to worship goddess Lakshmi ji and Ganesh ji and Saraswati ma, and this is the main perspective of this festival also. And we can also see that on this day in the night there are many crackers which are fired, and after it the next day is celebrated as The next day is celebrated as Govardhan. On this day, Ankut is made by cow dung, and that cow dung Govardhan is believed to be the god of to be our god, and we worship that with our full efforts, and we do many things to worship that Ankut or Govardhan Maharaj. And the last festival that is celebrated that is celebrated is Bhai Dooj, which is the festival of brothers and sisters, and it is also just like we can say Rakhi. And on this day, brothers are tied dhaga, which is basically a type of which is a holy thing that is.
Sir, phone भी
Sacred
सोने वाला
thread
है.
बोल सकते हैं बेटा उसको, sacred thread.
Yes, sir. That is sacred thread, which is tied on a brother's hand, and we all know very well that that is tied so that brother may protect their sisters, and also on this day, sisters feed sweets to their brothers, and in this way, this festival is celebrated with full of joy and happiness. That's it, sir.
Very good. Okay, yes, come on, Garvit. Garvit. गया, इसकी बैटरी डाउन हो गई. Garvit.
सर बैटरी का मोबाइल डेड हो गया.
अब इसकी बैटरी डाउन हो गई, मतलब इसकी मोबाइल की बैटरी डाउन हो गई. यस, रक्षित आ गया क्या?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
आ जा बेटा.
Sir, can you clear me what is the topic
How
Diwali
will you
or how
celebrate
will
Diwali?
I
How
celebrate
will you
Diwali?
celebrate this Diwali?
Okay, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that is Diwali and how I will celebrate this festival. So, we all know about Diwali. It is also known as Deepavali because and it is the biggest festival and it is the biggest festival of India among all the festivals that are celebrated in our country. And we know that India is a very diverse country, and a lot of festivals are celebrated here. So we call our country the land of festivals. And Diwali is one of the festivals among all festivals, which comes mostly in the month of November or October every year. And along with Diwali, we get a chance to enjoy other festivals with Diwali, like Choti Diwali, Dhanteras, Govardhan, Bhai Dooj, etc. And in this week of festivals, the big festival we celebrate with a lot of joy and happiness, that is Diwali. And we know that on Diwali, we worship goddess Lakshmi Mata and goddess Saraswati Mata and God and Lord Ganesha, and there is also a big reason for celebrating Diwali. That is, we know that after completing 14 years of Vanvas, Lord Ram came to Ayodhya, and on this occasion we celebrate Diwali. And also, and so now I am telling how will I celebrate Diwali. First, on Diwali, I will worship goddess Lakshmi Mata, goddess Saraswati ji, and Lord Ganesha with my family at night, and then I will fire crackers, because we know that without crackers it is very difficult to celebrate this festival. And also I will eat many sweets and different delicious foods that will be made in my house. And on the Govardhan, we will celebrate Govardhan by making the Ankut. And on Bhai Dooj, I will I will celebrate this festival with my sisters because we know that this is the festival of brothers and sisters. And sir, that's it.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड. यस प्रियंका, अच्छे से सुन लिया हुआ आपने सबको, है ना? अब आ जाओ आप आराम से, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलना है, है ना?
Diwali is Hindu festival. It is celebrated on it is celebrated 5 days. 5 days Diwali.
बिल्कुल भी कॉन्फिडेंस रखो आप, जो बोल दिया सो बोल दिया, सही बोल रहे हो आप, पहली बार में सही बोलते हो आप, दूसरी बार में गलत कर जाते हो. कॉन्फिडेंस रखो, तो घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल बोलो आराम से. आप छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस बना के बोलो बस.
5 days festival. First day Dhanteras, second day Choti Diwali, third day main Diwali, fourth day Govardhan, 5 day Bhai Dooj. People will purchase gold, silver, pipe, pan के पत्ता, etc.
शाबाश, घबराओ मत, ऐसे बोलो, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना के बस.
I will worship on God.
On God बस खाली.
God.
पापा बोलिए, मैं सही सब्जी बहुत सारी है, मूली है, प्याज है, कद्दू है, लौकी है.
Diwali is biggest festival.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, आप थोड़ा साइड में जाओ, फिर बुलाता हूँ मैं आपको. आप कोई परेशान मत हो, आप, है ना? होता है घर में, जब होते हैं तो होता है. यस, ये किरण आई है क्या? किरण है क्या? अच्छा आ जाओ दूसरे रूम में. प्रियंका, यस, कैरी ऑन, शिफ्टिंग टू अदर रूम. यस, हरी अप, कोई बात नहीं, होता है ऐसे करना. हाँ जाओ किरण, 2 मिनट.
My name is Kiran Belwa.
1 मिनट रुक जाओ प्रियंका, ये किरण, इसको प्रियंका को पूरा करने दो. हाँ प्रियंका, पूरा करो.
छोटी दिवाली is 5 दिए.
बोलो तुम.
बड़ी दिवाली is I go to temple. This is God Mahavir मोक्ष हुए थे. I wear.
शाबाश शाबाश, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस जो याद आ जाए बोलते जाओ, आप हो जाएगा सब.
I wear new clothes. I worship God, Ganesh ji, Lakshmi ji, Saraswati ji. And then I eat food and I go to crackers on Diwali. Next day is Govardhan. Govardhan I make food. I make uncooked food. Next day is Bhai Dooj. Bhai Dooj is brother and sister festival.
ठीक है.
Sister is just it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं है, ऐसे कोशिश क्या करो, घबराओ मत, शुरू में सबके साथ होता है ना. हाँ बिल्कुल मत घबराया करो, हो जाएगा सब ठीक, कोई चिंता मत करो. ये सब जितने भी बैठे हुए हैं ना जो अच्छा बोल रहे हैं, ये बेटा सबके साथ में होती है चीजें स्टार्टिंग में. यस किरण, आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. My name is Kiran Belwa. I am telling about how I will celebrate Diwali.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड.
I I'll celebrate first day Dhanteras. I'll purchase new clothes this festival.
On this festival. Shabash.
And I'll purchase Shubh Labh and crackers and diyas, etc. And second day, yes sir. Second day, celebrate Choti Diwali.
I will celebrate.
I'll
I celebrate. हाँ पूरा बोला करो. हम घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी.
yes sir. I'll celebrate second day Diwali and I'll fire crackers on Diwali and I'll purchase new clothes on Diwali. And third day, Man Diwali.
Third day is.
I'll celebrate. I'll third day. I'll 4-day Govardhan Pujan. And 5, I'll celebrate 5-day celebrate Bhai Dooj. And I'll purchase lot of things on Diwali and Dhanteras and Bhai Dooj. I'll eat lot of sweets on Diwali. And I'll worship Lakshmi and Ganesh ji with my family.
Shabash.
And I'll eat sweets and pakodi and pakodas on Diwali. I like 5 days on Diwali festival. That's it, sir.
Very good. Okay, बेटा बहुत एब्सेंट हो रही है आजकल.
यस सर, वो दीदी साथ अभी यहाँ पे आ रखी हूँ ना.
अच्छा चलो कोई बात नहीं. कोई रह तो नहीं गया अब. चलिए ओके. अब मेरी बात